The Skills Discovery tool on Skills Development Scotland's My World of Work website has been designed to help people understand the range of valuable skills they will have developed through their job roles and volunteering experience. For armed services roles, it also allows you to find the broadly comparable SCQF level of qualifications taken in service, so you can better describe these to Scottish civilian employers. For armed services roles, start by entering the relevant service, Army, Navy or RAF, in this box, and a range of options will appear. Choose the option that best describes your role or rank by scrolling down through the list and clicking on the name. Click Add Another Job to add further roles, ranks or cap badges. If you're looking for an Army role, choose the highest rank you achieved and also your cap badge as two separate roles. If you make a mistake, you can remove this by clicking the X on the corner. Once you have all your roles, click Submit. This leads you through to the Qualifications page, where you can search for and select the qualifications you took in service. There are a few ways you can do this. The range of qualifications you see will have already been pre-filtered based on the job roles you chose. You can see by clicking on Select a Service that you are seeing qualifications that are available in REME, All Army and All Services. Sometimes qualifications are taken which usually fall under a different cap badge or service. So if you can't find a particular qualification, you can deselect these to show all possible qualifications. You will see now that there is a much bigger number of qualifications. So let's reduce that down and make things a little bit more manageable. You can also filter by subject area by either scrolling down through the list and opening the accordions, or by using the box at the top to select or deselect. So let's have a look through the Common to Everyone section. Here you will find qualifications like functional skills in English, Maths and ICT. You may have heard English and Maths referred to as literacy or numeracy. Let's select functional skills in English at level 1 and Maths at level 2. You're also likely to have completed a leadership and management course. But you may need to refer to your certificates to find out which one. Let's select Certificate in Leadership and Management at level 3. The third way you can search the list is to use the keyword search function. If you want to look for a qualification in mechanical engineering, you can type the word mechanical and the options will reduce. You'll now see we are left with one qualification, HND in mechanical engineering. So let's select that. Once you've found all your qualifications, click on Discover Your Skills. This takes you through to the results page where you will see two different sections. The first section shows you your skills based on the job roles you chose. There are 3 meta skills areas to explore, and there is a description and a range of headings under each of these. For example, if we stay with self-management and click on Adapting, View More, we will see various skill types. The green bar will show you how important this skill is in the job roles that you picked. This allows you to pull out the key skills you will have developed so you can highlight these when applying for jobs or further learning. For example, adaptability and persevering are skills that you would want to highlight, as well as positive attitude and resilience. The next section gives you your qualifications results. Here you will see the name of the qualification you selected along with its broadly comparable SCQF level. Below this is a list of other qualifications at this level, so you can see how your learning compares in difficulty to more commonly known qualifications. So, we can see that functional skills in maths at level 2 is broadly comparable in level of difficulty to qualifications at SCQF level 5. For example, National 5 or Standard Grade Credit level 1 or 2. If we scroll down, we can see that Certificate in Leadership and Management at level 3 is comparable in level of difficulty with qualifications at SCQF level 6, for example, a higher. This page then continues to explain a bit more about the SCQF and provides a link to the SCQF website, where you can find more about Scotland's National Qualifications Framework and how it supports lifelong learning. I hope you have found this useful. If you have any comments or suggestions about how we can improve this tool, please do get in touch. We would love to hear from you.